Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking about how to make money with ClickBank, specifically how to make $100 per day with ClickBank. It's actually a really easy process. Um, this is something that you can start if you're just getting started online or if you're experienced. This can really help you build a solid business online. Before we get into the video, why don't you click on that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Over the coming months, I'm going to be releasing a lot of systems that I use in my own business, as well as giving a lot of tips and strategies on how you can build a business and make money online and entrepreneurship and so on. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over to ClickBank. I'm going to be telling you what ClickBank is, how you can use it, and what you need to do to make money online with it. First things first, ClickBank is it's like a billion dollar. They used to have the exact amount, but it's a billion-dollar corporation. They paid out multiple millions of dollars online to people just like you. And there's two ways that people make money on ClickBank. The first way is by creating their own product, something similar to, real quick example here, let's see. So this person created a product on how to, how to dance, dancing made easy. So they created an ebook basically, and they list it for sale, and they make money. The other way that people make money on ClickBank uh, is actually getting uh, this product right here and advertising it. So it's basically you're going to be an affiliate, and that's a really good way to start when you're just getting started online is with affiliate marketing. So that's what we're going to be covering in this video is affiliate marketing with ClickBank. If you don't have an account, you just basically click on create an account, and I won't go through the all of this to set this up, but it's a pretty straightforward process. So when you first get to ClickBank, and once you're even getting started with affiliate marketing, the number one thing people have a hard time with is figuring out what niche you get into. So that's the first thing I'm going to be going over is what are the best niches that you should be going over. It's like there's so many options here. What is the best one to get into? And if you've been following any of the so-called gurus, they'll tell you, hey, uh, just go with something that's on your passion. Create a business around your passion. Well, that's actually ridiculous because you can have a passion that is not lined up with a profitable niche, and you could be wasting your time. So don't listen to people that tell you just follow your passion. There is three categories that make the most money online and even offline in general. It's health and wealth, finance, and self-help, those type of products. And I'll go over exactly what that is here in a second. Um, so going into e-business and e-marketing, this is like the make money online type of products. This is the wealth part of the health and wealth and whatnot. So e-business and e-marketing, employment and jobs, that's another one that is similar to the e-business and e-marketing. And then you're going to go into health and fitness. This is how to lose weight and that sort of stuff. And then the other one, self-help. This is how to get your ex back, help with the relationships and that sort of thing. So those are the three main categories that I would recommend you get into just getting started. Obviously, you can pause and rewind this video, so I'm not going to reiterate that much as far as the categories. So moving on, more to recap. You should have a ClickBank account, or you've learned how to create a ClickBank account. You learned what are the best niches to get into. You've learned, before all of that, what the best, the easiest way to get started making money online, which is affiliate marketing. And now we're going to be going over, well, hey, I have all of these products I could promote. How can I figure out what is an easy product that is going to sell well? What is the best way to do this here? Okay, so there's a tab here that you could sort this by, and the first one you can go by is popularity, and that's pretty much default. Any of the products on this first page are generally going to be good products that you'll want to promote, or that you can promote and make money, because if other people are promoting them and they're popular, that means that they're making other people money. Like this right here, this gravity score says 129. Basically what that means is that there's over 129 people actually promoting this product. And if you go down here, you can see there's 62 here, there's 50 here, there's 32, and so on and so on. Another way you can do it is actually sort it by the specific gravity, and that will get you, the top gravity. So if a product has, I would say a 50 or above gravity score, the product is fine. Then you want to, you could click over to it, make sure that everything is working on the site. You want to just kind of click around, make sure the video is working.
Sarah's phone.
Because these are obviously people's websites. You want to make sure that, their website isn't down for whatever reason, if the hosting is messed up, if there's an image broken or whatever. Okay, so now you know how to actually find a product to promote, and what the best products are to promote, and so on and so forth. Now let's explain a really easy strategy that you can use to actually get some traffic. So just to back up for a second, with anything online, there's basically with anything making money online, there's two things that correlate to this. It's you have uh, you have a product or a service, and then you have a website attached to it, and then you need to send people to it. So there's a product or service, and then there's traffic. So you have the product or service here, which is ClickBank products and services, and then you just need to get traffic to send to these different websites. Now there's obviously many different ways you could go about this. You could use Google ads, you could go Facebook ads, you could do Instagram, but just getting started, I would recommend you use a free traffic strategy. And I'm going to just show you this real quick. Let's see. Let's go to Craigslist. Okay. You want to search on gigs, and then you would just click on post, and then you could do gig offered, click continue, create your account, and then you'll want to create, let's see, where am I going here? You want to create an ad that is basically something promoting a business opportunity. Someone that's looking for gigs on Craigslist are going to be interested in making money. So the easiest way to do this would be, post a gig on Craigslist saying something like, let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Well, instead of actually using my experience, I wonder if we could go through a quick example here to maybe I could show you some things you could grab off of.
I don't know how you found this private video.
Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is promising $400 a day. So let's do something like quick project paying $400. Okay, now this is the subject. Quick project paying $400, and then the description could be something like, hey, I have an easy job that's paying out over $400. Send me an email for more details. Okay, so then you just put in your email here. Or another way you could do it is you don't even need to include the email there. You could just say reply to this post for details. And then you'll just have your email on your Craigslist post, and then people are going to, you'll get 20, 30 people to respond to this type of ad. Now, one thing I want to, I was really reluctant to create an ad for you. Is just like I'm thinking, I don't want 50, or 100 different people use the same ad. So you have to understand, most people that watch this video, they're going to want to copy this exact thing, and then you might get your ads ghosted, or might get a lot of spam complaints or whatever if everyone is using the same exact ad. So just take this exact ad and then just change it up. This is the basic outline. Change it up, and then what you're going to do next, since you have the ad, you need to have, let's see, click on promote. I'm just going to, let's see. All right. So you just, I need to move this over. You just enter your nickname, click on generate hot link, and then you're going to grab your hot link. And what I would actually do, might as well just show you exactly how I do it. Just go to tinyURL, you paste that into there, that makes it into a short link. Just looks more cleaner. Okay, let's go back to ClickBank just to have a background there. Okay, so above is, this is basically the ad, but don't use the same ad, something similar. Then here's the reply. When people message you, say, hey, what's up with this $400? You could just say something really simple, such as, thanks for reaching out. For more details, go here. That's it. And then put your name. Now, basically, everyone's going to be replying to your ad, and the only thing you want to do is get them to that website. The more people that see your link, the more chance you have of making money. And that's simply how you make money online. This simple strategy has been responsible for a great deal of income in our own business, and I'm happy to share it with you to create your own business. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click on that bell notification. I'll be doing a lot more videos like this really soon. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon.